Good afternoon, it is here now, and we are on our way to Algang Cape View to eat some fried chicken. And we're on the mofos, and they've just built this new thing here where people can sit and look at the beautiful river and imagine what life would have been like back when the Jurassics were our neighbours.
What are these?
What's the what?
What are these? Are they lights?
I don't know, it looks like lights, but have a look at this. That's a wasp nest, a paper wasp. And that's one thing you don't want to be stung by, is one of these things here. Whew. So I'm getting out of here before I get attacked. Let's start going. Yeah. Uh-oh, now we're stuck. Have to go back around this way. Anyone coming? Ah, yummy. How's that drink? Nice? So we've just come to look at some show flats, as you do, and well, these are the latest ones that are coming out. This has a pool, the longest one in Singapore for flats, 300 meters long, the swimming pool, so you can swim from that end of the buildings all the way along here, all the way. Take a breath at the bar there, all the way. Keep going, keep going, keep going, all to the aqua gym. How cool is that? Pretty good, huh? We're going to go and check out a show flat. Now, for a 2-bedroom, we found out $600,000 for this, and its body corporates are $300 a month. But hey, if you can afford it, why wouldn't you? I wouldn't mind living here. And on the other side, there's a river, so it faces the river. How cool is that? Let's go and look at the show flat. Okay, so this is a 2-bedroom unit here. This is like 600 grand, remember? So you walk in and it's got a kitchen here. It's only got 2 hot plates. Greg's kitchen wouldn't like that. And have a look at this lounge room. It's like tiny, but it does have a balcony, and over there, imagine there's a river. It would look beautiful. Not blue though, brown. And here is a bathroom here. Oh, it's got nice tiles. And this is a single room here. Man, it's pretty small. It only just fits the bed in there and a little more space. But check out the master bedroom. This is it. Mate, there's not much space here at all. Like, I can hardly walk down the side here. There's no space on that side. Has got built-ins though, but oh, that's a nice bag, isn't it? Oh, I love that vest. And there's old mate. G'day. And this is the master bathroom. Gee, 600 grand. Whew, it's pretty small. Okay, so this is a 4-bedroom. This bedroom seems to be a bit bigger, and it's got a bathroom here, and it's also got this nice walk-in area or study. And we've got a bedroom which is bigger than the other ones, but it shares a bathroom here with this bedroom, but there's also a bathroom here. Classic, huh? Now here is it's got a nice balcony and quite a small living room with a little dining room here. The entry is there, and it's quite a small kitchen as well. Greg's kitchen wouldn't work in these conditions, I tell you what. But what this place does have is maid's quarters. So she gets her own little crapper and a little shower and a little nook here to sleep in. Don't worry, she's got a window. So there you go. $1.6 million. Hubbada, hubbada. Well, we just had to sit through the hard sell then. Oh, it's going to sell today. If not today, tomorrow. So you better buy it. It's like, mate, those units are way too small. And wow, they're expensive.
Yeah, and these are not that expensive. This is not an expensive area.
It isn't?
No.
Oh, imagine the expensive area.
Yeah.
So there you go. There's a Singapore apartment.
These are the private apartments.
They're private apartments. You can get government apartments, which are a third the price, with bigger rooms. But you don't get the amenities like the pool or tennis court or things like that.
Like $300 a month.
But then you have to pay $100 a week in like body corporates. So you'd have to have too much money or just. But the thing is, you can sell them on and make profits. What would I know about investing? So there you go, Singapore apartment. It's starting to rain, so we're sort of stuck here at the moment. You might have seen the lightning. So we'll just wait it out and then move on.
There's a big lake. There's a big thing in the water at the center.
Okay. It's raining slightly. There's lightning everywhere. So hopefully I won't get struck. But we're in Punggol Park. There's a big lake in the middle apparently. But we don't want to get rained on. Is there a bar or something we can like stop at? Oh, there's the lake down there. Is there a bar next to it? There's a shed there. Why don't they sell beer? When will these Singaporeans learn? That lake looks good. Are we going along the lake? Well, this is lovely. Oh, drinking place. That's my two favourite words combined.
Maybe they might have like happy hour.
Happy hour. My other two favourite words. Combined with the other two, they're my four favourite words.
Hougang.
401 Hougang.
Hougang.
Hougang. That's one of Singapore's most popular Pokemon spots, just over here. Oh, the lightning. Oh. But we're going to go in here, wait for the rain and lightning to stop, go and grab a drink. So we found a nice coffee shop here. It looks like a nice one. It's quite busy. Very local, but it looks nice. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, look at that lightning. Wow. So, to stay safe, we thought we'd better drink some beer. And Bernice is having some calamansi. What is this? Lime. Pour it into the glass. Let's have a look. Tell us the story, Bernice. Oh, looks like urine. Yum. Let's see what urine tastes like. Oh yeah, it's got the aftertaste of urine.
Have you drunk urine?
Not my own. Cheers, everyone. Back on the mofos, and there's a real golden sunset after that rain. So we're going to ride home after a short day of doing whatever we did. So this is Tebing Lane, Tebing, and this Saturday night I thought I'd come down here because they do along here. Some have 5 bottles of beer for $20. So I'm going to come down here this Saturday night. So if you're around at Tebing Lane in Punggol, come down and say hi. I'll be at one of these places. The one with 5 beers for 20 bucks. Tebing Lane. T-A-B-I-N-G? T-E-B-I-N-G. T-E-B-I-N-G. Pronounced Tebing, Punggol, this Saturday night. From about what time you reckon? What time would be a good time to come down?
Are you having dinner here?
Dinner? Huh. Well, if you consider 5 beers for 20 bucks dinner, then yes. What do you reckon? 7?
Full.
No, that sounds good enough time to start. Why not?
7:30.
7 o'clock. 7 o'clock this Saturday night. Tebing Lane. Get your ass down here and say hi if you're in Singapore. See you then. I think we're just going to go home now and watch TV. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Tomorrow, and I'll remind you. Bye. Where's Bernice go? Ah, she's always hiding. Yeah.